Hi, my name is Aquib Imam. I have done my graduation in BBA from St. Xavier's College, Ranchi. After that, I have worked as a financial analyst in a company called Eclerc Services Limited. And after that, for further studies, I did my MBA. And then for some years, I had prepared for government exam for UPSC. And then I have been enrolled in digital marketing course from Digital Vidya. And the objective for me joining in Digital Vidya, this is like certified digital marketing course, was to learn about digital marketing comprehensively. And we were taught about digital marketing extensively on every digital marketing strategies like Facebook ad, Google ads, SEO, SMM, email marketing. After that, we were given capstone project for SEM and SMM. And after that, I had also applied for placement. And in placement, I had got opportunity in sitting in interviews in a couple of companies. At the end, I have been placed in a company called V Commission Services. It's an advertising company. So overall, the experience was good, and everything went smooth. The course as well as the placement.